Hello students, today I am going to teach you lantern for this Diwali occasion. For this lantern, I have this chart paper. This is in yellow color, and you can use like this A4 size paper also. Okay, and things required for this paper, this scale, scissor, and pen or pencil. Okay, now I am going to tell you how to make this. So first of all, you have to take distance 20 cm from this side and 20 cm from this side, from all sides 20 centimeters. You can do one thing like this. Okay. And hold this portion back side and cut it, then you will get your square. So 5 square we want here. 1 star. Okay students, like this squares I got it from chart paper. So you have to make 5 squares. You know distance 20 cm from all sides, 20, 20, 20, 25, 20. So this is your first step. Now make triangle, fold it from center. Okay, this is your second step. Now I will tell you your first step. After this triangle, you have to open it, and from this portion touch it till center line. Okay, and press it properly. After this, put ribbon here till 1.5 cm. You have to put this place. Take measurement. Okay. This one. Okay. Put ribbon here and paste it properly. Like this cone shapes. Triangle shape will get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So after this, next step. Okay. Make like this 4 and hold it back side proper. Okay. After this, cut this portion with the help of cutter or scissor. Okay. And you will get like this. I made here 5 ones. 1, 2, 4 and 5. You can see here. After this, can you see here? 4 cm distance I took from center. First of all, you have to fold from center. Join 2 corners from upper side. No need to press it. Only you have to press here. And from this pressing point, you have to draw 4 cm straight line. Okay, standing line. And after this, you have to draw again slanting line from both sides. Okay, and cut it with the help of scissor or cutter. In this way. Now I will cut my 4 cones also. Next, you have to take 1 centimeter distance from here to here. Okay. And here also 1 centimeter from this side, 1 centimeter from this side, and 1 centimeter here, and 1 centimeter is here. Okay. And after this, draw like this line from both sides and from here also. Now I am going to cut it from center. Okay, cut it properly. Then you will get like this. I have this much, you can see. Okay, so after this you have to keep pencil scale here. Join this scale. Draw straight line, small one from both sides, and cut it. After this cutting work, you have to fold it properly. Fold it properly and open it. Now turn it back. This one also. Okay, in this way. But from one side you have to cut. Now one side I kept like this, okay, and another from another one side I cut it. Okay student, after this cutting work I have this punching machine, so you can also use like this punching machine for this holes. You can see I made. If you don't have this punching machine, you can draw like this design also and cut it with the help of scissor. For example, I will show you. Suppose draw here like this triangles. Cut. Okay, you can see. Design will come out. And with the help of marker or your crayon colors or your pencil colors, you can use, or sketch pens. Draw outline around the holes, means it will look beautiful. This is plain and this is color. You can make it colorful and design also here. Okay. Now I will join this. How to join? So this one is, this side we left this portion, so we have to use this, and from this side we had already cut it. So this one plain I will use here. Okay, this one also, any you can use. So this cutting portion, and I will put this portion here. I will join it. You can see. Okay, proper. So first of all you have to put Fevicol here. From both sides. Press it properly. And paste it. Now my pasting work is finished. Now leave it to dry for a while, for 2-3 minutes. Within 2-3 minutes it will dry, and your star will look like this. Okay. Now we need the threads. And for this one stick, I took here third stick. You can take another one stick or match stick also. Now break it, make 2 parts, and tie this thread with one stick. Now make 2 circles from remaining part. And put Fevicol here. And paste it one side. Here. This one means we have to make this portion thick. For this we have to paste it here properly. After this, we'll put this stick here. Make hole here. From both sides. And put thread here and pull out. Now you can see here. Okay, threads are here in my hand. Now I am going to tie it. After this, your star will look like this. This much big star you can make in one chart paper. Means 10 या 10 या 20 रुपीज में आपका स्टार बन जाएगा, जो मार्केट में आपको मिलेगा 500 रुपीज में। और इस कोरोना के दिनों में अगर आपके बच्चे घर पे ये स्टार बनाते हैं तो मैं पेरेंट्स को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप उनका हेल्प करो और अच्छे से स्टार बना के अपने घर में अपने हाथ से लगाओ। Okay, take care, do well.